In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clean, readable outline to any text so it pops against your background without looking heavy or distracting. Start by selecting the text box you want to outline in your design. Click or tap directly on the text so you see the bounding box handles or a highlight around it. That visual cue tells you the text is active and ready for styling. If you're working with multiple layers, make sure the text layer itself is selected so the right controls appear. Once your text is selected, look for the toolbar that appears with context-specific options. Depending on whether you're on desktop or mobile, the toolbar typically sits just above the canvas or along the bottom of the screen. In that toolbar, choose Effects. This is where Adobe Express groups visual enhancements that go beyond basic font and color choices. Inside the Effects menu, locate the option labeled Outline, or, in some versions, Stroke. They mean the same thing, a defined border around each character. The Effects panel can scroll horizontally, so if you don't see outline right away, slide through the options until it appears. You're in the right place when you see controls dedicated to a border around your text. Now, choose your outline color and adjust the thickness to match your design. High contrast combinations, like a dark outline around light text or a light outline around dark text, tend to improve legibility significantly. Neutral outlines such as black, white, or a dark gray are versatile, while brand colors can add personality when the background is simple. Subtle, thin outlines work well for professional or minimalist layouts. Thicker outlines can make headlines jump off busy photos. You'll notice there are controls for both the outline's color and its thickness. Depending on your device, thickness may be adjusted with a slider or by entering a numeric value for precision. Fine-tune the thickness until the letters are clearly defined but still easy to read. It's helpful to consider how your design will be viewed on a phone screen or a larger display, as that context influences how visible an outline appears. If the background has multiple colors, choose an outline shade that contrasts with the dominant tones, not just a small area behind the text. That's all there is to it. Adding an outline in Adobe Express is a quick way to increase clarity, maintain brand consistency, and make your message stand out against any background. Experiment within those outline settings until your text is crisp, balanced, and unmistakably legible.